The ultimate process of building architectural wall mirrors using reclaimed window frames and burnished steel begins with the recognition that forgotten architectural fragments often contain a quiet beauty waiting to be rediscovered. Across old houses, abandoned workshops, and renovation sites, window frames that once captured sunlight and framed views of the outside world are frequently discarded once they become weathered, cracked, or outdated. Yet within these aging frames lies a structural elegance that modern craftsmanship can transform into striking interior decor. When these relics are stripped down to their skeletal essence and paired with the bold presence of burnished steel, they evolve into architectural mirrors that feel both timeless and contemporary. This transformation bridges the distance between rustic heritage and refined design, proving that materials shaped by decades of use can become central elements within sophisticated modern homes. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The journey begins with the careful recovery of reclaimed window frames, many of which bear the marks of time through chipped paint, worn corners, and layers of accumulated dust. While these surfaces initially appear rough and fragile, the timber beneath often retains remarkable strength. Stripping the frames back to their structural core reveals the natural grain and warmth hidden beneath years of weathering. The process of sanding and refining these pieces does not erase their history, but rather clarifies it, allowing the wood's subtle textures and tones to emerge. Each frame becomes a unique artifact, carrying faint scars from its previous life that add character rather than detract from its beauty. As the timber is stabilized and prepared, its transformation from neglected debris into a refined design component begins to take shape. Once the wooden structure is restored, the integration of burnished steel introduces a powerful contrast that defines the architectural identity of the mirror. Steel possesses a visual weight and precision that complements the organic warmth of reclaimed timber. When carefully shaped and polished by hand, burnished steel develops a deep metallic sheen that captures light in subtle ways. The process of burnishing, smoothing the surface through repeated abrasion and polishing, creates a finish that is neither overly reflective nor completely matte, giving the metal a quiet sophistication. When incorporated into the design of the mirror frame, this steel forms slender borders, structural reinforcements, or decorative accents that anchor the wooden frame with modern clarity. The union of reclaimed wood and burnished steel transforms the mirror from a simple reflective object into a sculptural architectural feature. Instead of functioning merely as a household accessory, the mirror becomes an integrated element within the interior environment, capable of altering the perception of space and light. The reclaimed frame establishes a sense of history and craftsmanship, while the steel introduces a crisp modern edge that aligns with contemporary design principles. Together they create a dialogue between past and present, rustic and industrial, warmth and precision. This duality is what gives architectural mirrors their distinctive presence within modern homes, allowing them to function as both functional objects and artistic statements. Designing these mirrors involves careful attention to proportion and geometry. Architectural mirrors often rely on clean lines and balanced forms that allow the materials themselves to speak without excessive ornamentation. Reclaimed window frames naturally lend themselves to such compositions because their original structure already contains divisions and panels designed to hold glass panes. By preserving or subtly modifying these divisions, designers can create mirrors composed of multiple reflective sections that echo the grid-like patterns found in industrial architecture. When burnished steel is added along these structural lines, the result is a frame that feels intentional and contemporary while still honoring the heritage embedded in the wood. Light plays a critical role in the impact of architectural wall mirrors. The reflective surfaces capture and redistribute natural illumination throughout a room, making spaces appear larger and more open. When framed by reclaimed timber and steel, the mirror also introduces layers of visual texture that interact with surrounding elements such as walls, furniture, and decor. The subtle glow of polished steel catches highlights from nearby windows or lamps, while the warm tones of the wood absorb and soften light, creating a balanced interplay between reflection and depth. This interaction transforms the mirror into a living element within the interior, constantly responding to changes in lighting and perspective. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Beyond aesthetics, the process of crafting mirrors from reclaimed window frames represents a meaningful commitment to sustainability. Every piece of timber salvaged from demolition or renovation projects carries environmental value because it reduces the demand for newly harvested materials. By repurposing these architectural remnants, designers extend the life cycle of resources that might otherwise end up in landfills or incinerators. This approach aligns with the growing emphasis on eco-conscious living, where homeowners seek design solutions that combine beauty with environmental responsibility. Reclaimed materials bring authenticity to interior spaces, reminding occupants that thoughtful design can arise from materials already present within the built environment. The use of burnished steel further reinforces the sense of durability and permanence that defines high-end design. Steel is inherently resilient, capable of maintaining its form and finish for decades when properly treated. Its presence within the mirror frame ensures structural stability while also contributing to the industrial aesthetic that has become increasingly popular in contemporary interiors. When paired with reclaimed wood, the steel frame symbolizes a meeting of two worlds: the organic warmth of natural materials and the engineered precision of modern industry. This contrast elevates the mirror from a decorative item to a statement piece that reflects the values of craftsmanship, sustainability, and innovation. As the mirror takes its final form, the transformation from discarded relic to gallery-worthy object becomes fully apparent. The reclaimed window frame, once overlooked as debris from an aging structure, now frames a surface that reflects the surrounding room with elegance and clarity. The burnished steel accents introduce crisp lines that guide the viewer's eye across the composition, reinforcing the architectural quality of the design. Together, these materials create a visual balance that feels both grounded and refined. The mirror no longer resembles its humble origins. Instead, it stands as a sophisticated object that commands attention within the space it inhabits. Such pieces resonate deeply with modern homeowners and designers because they embody a narrative of renewal. In a world saturated with mass-produced decor, objects that carry visible traces of history and transformation hold particular appeal. A mirror built from reclaimed window frames tells a story about the past life of the building from which it came, while the addition of steel represents the contemporary craftsmanship that has reshaped it. This narrative enriches the emotional connection between the object and its environment, making it more than a functional accessory. It becomes a conversation piece, a focal point that invites curiosity and appreciation. The market for eco-conscious luxury design continues to expand as more people recognize the value of materials that combine sustainability with distinctive character. Architectural mirrors crafted from reclaimed wood and burnished steel fit perfectly within this movement because they embody both environmental responsibility and artistic refinement. Their unique origins ensure that no two pieces are exactly alike, enhancing their desirability among buyers who seek individuality in their interiors. Each mirror becomes a one-of-a-kind creation shaped by the specific textures and proportions of the salvaged materials used in its construction. Ultimately, building architectural wall mirrors from reclaimed window frames and burnished steel demonstrates how creative vision can elevate overlooked fragments into objects of lasting beauty. By stripping weathered frames to their skeletal essence and integrating them with polished metal elements, artisans reveal the hidden elegance embedded within architectural debris. The resulting mirrors embody a harmonious fusion of rustic history and modern design, offering a sophisticated solution for homeowners who value both style and sustainability. Through this process, discarded relics are reborn as refined gallery pieces that enrich the spaces they inhabit, proving that the path to luxury often begins with materials that have already lived a full life. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.